AptDeco Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. AptDeco is a peer-to-peer marketplace for buying and selling second-hand furniture, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another classified site. The surprising truth is that AptDeco handles everything from listing to delivery, offering convenience and security that typical marketplaces don't. Pricing for sellers includes a service fee, typically around 15% of the selling price. Buyers pay the listed price plus delivery, which usually ranges from to depending on distance and item size. You won't believe the benefits included. AptDeco manages pickup, delivery, and even offers a secure payment system that protects both parties. Most people get this wrong by trying to sell furniture on general marketplaces, which often leave sellers handling logistics, packing and negotiating with strangers. AptDeco's pricing reflects the value of a hassle-free, fully managed service. In conclusion, AptDeco pricing is transparent and fair for the convenience, security and efficiency it provides. By understanding fees, delivery options, and included services, you go from zero to pro in deciding if this platform is worth it for selling or buying furniture without the usual headaches.